Today, we're making red velvet cake for one, because sometimes you just want cake, not judgment. First, you'll need a few ingredients. Nothing too crazy. You won't have to sell a kidney for this. 3 tablespoons of flour, enough to feel like you're baking without actually committing to a whole cake. 2 tablespoons of sugar, because this is dessert, not a salad. 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. Just enough to call it red velvet, but let's not pretend it's chocolate cake. 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, because melting butter is for people with more patience than us. 1 tablespoon of buttermilk, or fake it with milk and vinegar, because we're all just faking it anyway. A few drops of red food coloring. If it's not red, what's the point? Now dump it all into a bowl, mix it up like you're trying to stir away your life problems, and boom, you've got batter. Red and slightly regrettable. Pour the batter into a mug or ramekin, pop it into the microwave for 60 to 90 seconds, and watch as your self-worth rises along with the cake. While that's cooking, let's make some frosting. You can either go full domestic goddess or just slap on some store-bought stuff. Here's the DIY version. 1 tablespoon of cream cheese, softened obviously. 1 tablespoon of powdered sugar, sweet like your online persona. A splash of vanilla, optional, but hey, we're fancy. Mix that up until it's smooth and spreadable, or eat it straight from the bowl. No shame here. Take your cake out, slather on that frosting like you mean it, and maybe throw on some sprinkles if you're feeling extra. And there you have it, a single-serve red velvet cake. No leftovers, no guilt, just pure, unadulterated self-indulgence. Thanks for hanging out with Muffin But Fun, where we make solo cooking fun, sarcastic, and delicious. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with your fellow single-serve dessert enthusiasts. See you next time.